Today we are thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to the charming village of Veules. Nestled on the Alabaster coast, just 12 miles southwest of Dieppe, this picturesque village is a hidden gem, brimming with natural beauty and historical charm. Let's begin our tour with the beach. Veules boasts a stunning sand and pebble beach, framed by high chalk cliffs. The beach is perfect for a leisurely walk, sunbathing, or simply enjoying the serene coastal views. The gentle waves and clear waters make it a delightful spot for swimming and other water activities. Next, let's explore the river that flows through this enchanting village. The Veules, France's smallest river, winds its way from the source through the village, creating a tranquil and picturesque setting. As you stroll along the riverbank, you'll encounter quaint half-timbered cottages and historic mills, some of which date back centuries. The water from the river is used in ponds for growing watercress. Adding to the village's unique charm, architecture enthusiasts will be captivated by the traditional brick houses in the heart of Veules. These charming structures, with their thatched roofs and timber frames, reflect the rich history and culture of the region. Walking through the village feels like stepping back in time, with each house telling its own story. One cannot talk about Veules without mentioning the beautiful roses and flowers that adorn the town. The village is aptly named, as it is filled with stunning blooms that add vibrant colours to every corner. From the neatly tended gardens to the wildflowers along the riverbank, the floral beauty of Veules is truly breathtaking. Climbing the cliffs offers a spectacular view of the village and the coast. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the full scope of Veules' natural beauty. The patchwork of cottages, gardens, and the winding river below create a scene straight out of a storybook. It's no wonder so many painters, poets, and writers have found inspiration here. For those planning a visit, Veules is conveniently located just a few hours from Paris. A scenic drive or a train journey will transport you from the bustling city to this peaceful coastal retreat, making it an ideal destination for a relaxing getaway. The journey itself is a delight as you travel through the picturesque French countryside. In conclusion, Veules offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and floral splendor. Whether you're wandering along the beach, exploring the quaint village streets, or simply soaking in the picturesque views, this enchanting village promises an unforgettable experience. So if you're looking for a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, look no further than Veules. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring this picturesque town. Happy exploring.